Hey everyone, Jason Haygood here, back with another video. This time it's me, it's not my AI avatar, so we'll see how this one goes. But I wanted to make a quick video just to describe as simply as possible what we do here at Core. And you know how a business has employees who answer calls, handle requests, and just get things done in general. We build the same thing, but as software, and we call those AI agents. You can think of these as workers who never sleep, they never forget, they handle all the boring stuff, so your employees can handle the important stuff. And here's a part that surprises everyone. You don't any longer need to know how to code to build an AI agent. You just describe the job out loud. Watch me. All right, so you get to meet the Core Agent Platform version 2 that we call Artemis. And you'll see you have a helper here with every project called Arch. So I'm just going to describe in plain language what I want him to do. I'll say, listen to each of my sales calls, write a short email summary, pull out the to-do items, and flag it if a competitor gets mentioned, and log it into HubSpot afterwards. That's it, and then Arch is going to start working. So he's already building each block as a little worker with one job, grabs a recording, writes a summary. He's going to do an interview as we do this, which we call the project. We'll call it Call Scratch. Which channel should I work with? We'll say voice, yes, email, and we'll do web chat. Each worker is going to raise a hand when it hears a competitor. And then Arch, as a whole team, quick sanity check. Does this match what you want? This looks good. So a quick review of what we did. We're using the Kore.ai native agent platform, and this helper is Arch, who's like the best assistant you ever had. You tell it the job in plain English, and it figures out who to hire and how to set up the work. So now Arch is building a worker that listens to my sales calls and tells me what actually mattered. I just described what I wanted, like texting a coworker. Arch asked me a couple of questions, and that's it. Plain English, no code. Arch is already building it. Each block has its own agent with one job. One grabs a recording, one writes a summary, one pulls the to-do list, and each one raises a hand when it hears a competitor. Arch hired the whole team and connected them in order while I was talking. Core lets you use any language model you want. We handle the integrations and the routing of information across systems and teams. You focus on the business outcomes. AI handles the grunt work. This is how AI was meant to help businesses. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. We have a team here too, who will give you free advice, some with decades of direct industry experience. So here's the thing. This isn't a pretend demo. What I built runs on the same platform that over 400 of the Fortune 2000 run every day. The difference with most AI is that you hear about it's coming someday. This works today. What you should care about, your clients are stuck. Months of trying to get even one AI helper working. With Core and Arch, you sit with your client, ask the task that drives them crazy. They tell you what it is, and then you build it while they watch. The meeting goes from, let me get back to you, to here's your helper, when do we start? If you want to see it live, join us at CCW next week in Las Vegas, booth 625 at the Caesars Forum, June 22nd through the 25th. Find Carl Katz there, bring the task that drives you crazy, and we'll build a fix right in front of you. See you there.